Hi, I'm Casey Bosner-Hills, President of the Board of the Actors Mission here in Sweetwater County, Wyoming. We're a group of over 100 actors, directors, light, set, and costume designers who have been bringing to the stage some of the best plays written, current and classic, including original works from local authors. Joining me today is Nina Kessner, Vice President, Brad Russell, Board Treasurer, and Jerry Val Evans, Voting Board Member.
The Actors Mission not only provides entertainment and culture to our community, we provide opportunities for many people to use their talents and to learn and grow in the theater arts. Beside our full season of productions each year, we provide workshops directed by well-known artists in the fields of directing, set, and lighting design. The Actors Mission has been part of our community for over 14 years, but we've never had a permanent home. We've performed in many different venues, from vacant storefront buildings to the White Mountain Library, to right here, in the Elks Lodge, where we built our very own stage, complete with seating, lights, and sound.
Recently, we've been donated 2 downtown Rock Springs buildings by a group of very generous owners, one of whom is a member of Actors Mission. So now we will have our very own home. The buildings will take a great deal of work to turn into a black box theater, seating approximately 90 people. The plans and cost estimates are done, and we're prepared to do a great deal of work ourselves, just like we have done in our space.
We have been so proud to perform for Sweetwater County, and through all the years, we have never charged for tickets. Actors Mission was started to loosely resemble the Depression era's WPA Federal Project No. 1, which employed artists, musicians, writers, directors, and actors in the large arts, drama, media, and literacy project. And in keeping with our motto to feed the body and nourish the mind, all of our shows have been free and open to the public. And volunteers have provided a meal prior to every performance, at no cost, all free.
Well, it looks like the show's about to begin, but before the actors take the stage, we are asking for your help. Renovations to the new downtown theater are going to cost approximately $250,000. We are asking all of our friends, mission members, and anybody watching this video to please click the donate button now and give what you think dinner and a theater ticket might cost.
Maybe donate what you would pay for tickets for your whole family.
If you'd like to make a sizable gift but want to make it easier on your budget, just donate monthly. Whatever works for you, we'll appreciate it.
Please help us build our community theater, and we'll keep bringing you the best entertainment we can. Please click donate now.